Growling is a sound most often associated with aggression or fear, a deep and guttural vocalization that usually signals discomfort or a warning. When a cat growls, most people instinctively interpret it as a negative sign, something to be wary of or avoid. Yet there are moments when a cat may growl in situations that seem playful or at least non-threatening, for instance, during a game of tug-of-war with a toy, while wrestling with another cat, or when chasing a moving object. This paradoxical behavior can be confusing for owners, especially when the cat otherwise shows signs of enjoyment. Understanding why a cat growls during play requires a close look at feline body language, the emotional complexity of play behavior, and the natural instincts that drive cats to blur the lines between fun and serious hunting or fighting. To begin with, play in cats, especially in adult cats, often mirrors the skills and behaviors used in real-life hunting or territorial encounters. Pouncing, chasing, ambushing, biting, clawing, and even vocalizing are all part of the play sequence, and many of these are inherited from wild feline ancestors. In the wild, play serves as a way for kittens and young cats to practice critical survival skills. Even in a domestic setting, these behaviors remain hardwired into the cat's instinctual repertoire. Play is rarely gentle in the animal world, it is a simulation of combat or predation. And as such, it can involve real intensity, even when no true threat is present. Growling during play can thus be understood as a carryover from this instinctual behavior. A growl may emerge when a cat becomes especially engaged or aroused during a game. This arousal doesn't necessarily mean the cat is angry or afraid, it may simply indicate heightened excitement, stimulation, or a competitive edge, especially when a toy is involved. For example, if a cat catches a toy and begins to growl while holding it, this might signal possessiveness or a sense of triumph, much like a wild feline protecting a fresh kill from rivals. The growl is, in that moment, part of the cat's expression of dominance or territoriality over the object. Another possibility is that the growl serves as a warning not directed at a perceived enemy, but at anyone, animal or human, who might interrupt the cat's engagement with its prey. If a person tries to take away the toy while the cat is mid-play and growling, the cat may interpret this as an intrusion. It might not want to be disturbed or feel that its catch is being threatened. This is especially true in cats with a strong prey drive or in multi-cat households where resource competition is more frequent. Even during play, the instinct to guard or defend can be powerful and reflexive. Body language can help differentiate whether the growl is truly playful or has shifted into discomfort or aggression. A cat that growls while still keeping its body loose, tail relaxed, ears up or forward, and eyes blinking slowly is probably still within the realm of playful behavior. In contrast, a cat that stiffens its body, flattens its ears, dilates its pupils, or lashes its tail may be showing signs of overstimulation or impending aggression. These are cues that the game may no longer be fun and that the cat is nearing its threshold for tolerance. Some cats also growl more frequently or intensely than others due to their temperament. Just as some people laugh loudly or shout in excitement, certain cats express arousal with louder or more dramatic vocalizations. A cat that growls while playing may be highly vocal by nature. Or it may have learned through reinforcement that growling is an effective way to communicate certain needs or boundaries. If, for example, growling results in being left alone or having a toy returned, the cat may growl as a way of managing its environment. It's also important to consider the context and consistency of the growling. If a cat growls occasionally during play but otherwise exhibits relaxed and affectionate behavior, there is little cause for concern. However, if the growling is accompanied by signs of fear, frustration, or escalating aggression, it might be necessary to reassess the nature of the play. Sometimes, what begins as a playful encounter can become too intense or overstimulating, especially if the cat becomes tired or overwhelmed. In such cases, ending the play session calmly and allowing the cat time to decompress is the best course of action. In households with multiple pets, growling during play may also serve as a boundary-setting tool. When two cats or a cat and a dog are playing, growling can be a way for one participant to communicate, "That's too rough," or "This is mine." It helps regulate the intensity of play and maintains a balance between fun and conflict. This is especially relevant in interactions involving younger or more energetic animals, where one cat may feel the need to assert limits without fully withdrawing from the interaction. For cat owners, interpreting a growl during play is about understanding the broader emotional context. Is the cat crouching in a defensive posture, or is it playfully batting at a toy? Is it hissing, swatting, and growling simultaneously, or is the growl more like a deep hum while it holds a toy in its mouth? The answers to these questions can clarify whether the growl is part of an enjoyable, intense play session or a sign that the cat needs a break. In either case, respecting the cat's signals is key to maintaining a healthy and trusting relationship. When cats growl during play, they are not necessarily angry or afraid. The growl may indicate heightened excitement, a possessive instinct over a toy, or an attempt to communicate boundaries. It reflects the complex interplay between instinct and social behavior in domestic cats, who retain many of the survival traits of their wild ancestors. For most cats, growling during play is simply another form of communication, loud, intense, and deeply expressive of their feline nature. Rather than a warning to back away entirely, it may be an invitation to understand and engage more thoughtfully with the cat's unique emotional world.